Hi ladies, I am coming back to you all from under a rock with an unboxing of Miss Pink Nails gel paints. In the upcoming videos, I'm challenging myself to use up the nail supplies that I have from being a former salon owner and stick with my passion of nails. With this, it comes with these little itty bitty trays to hold each color. It has these tubes of gel with this push pin that you see here and all of these colors. So they have a big variety of colors. This is way more than I would need, and I'm pretty sure I use them sparingly. And these are the simple two-step instructions that they came with. Now, upon opening this, I did notice that some of the little color trays, the magnets on the bottom were not either stuck on or stuck on properly, like in the right spot, since the entire thing is a magnet. So I took some time off camera to really put the magnets back on and then squeeze each color into the trays in order so I can refill if I have to. And I also wanted to show you guys a set that I actually painted with these gel paints and how they turned out. I wanted to use these for my fall set instead of my other gel paints, and I think these turned out so fabulously. So stay tuned for all the other nail art that I am going to create. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!